Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Today we are going to discuss about lymph node. Lymph nodes are a secondary lymphoid organs where actual immune response takes place. These are encapsulated bean-shaped structures present in a body. यहाँ पर इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स होने के लिए जो माइक्रो एनवायरनमेंट है वो प्रोवाइड किया जाता है थ्रू द लिम्फ एंटीजेंस एंड antigens are brought to the lymph node and the immune response takes place in a lymph node. This is the structure of lymph node. यहाँ पर हम देखें तो इसके 3 regions हमें दिखाई देते हैं. The outermost region जो है वो है cortex region. Cortex region is rich with lymphocytes, especially in a B lymphocytes. It is having macrophages and follicular dendritic cells are there in a cortex region. यहाँ पर ये primary follicle के form में रहते हैं and during the antigenic response it get formed into the secondary follicles. कॉर्टेक्स के बाद जो अंदर का पोर्शन आता है दैट इज नोन एज अ पैराकॉर्टेक्स रीजन. इस रीजन में हमें टी सेल पॉपुलेशन दिखाई देती है. इसके साथ ही देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ इंटरडिजिटेटिंग डेंड्राइटिक सेल्स. These interdigitating dendritic cells are brought from the tissues to the lymph nodes. These dendritic cells express class 2 MHC molecules on them, which are used for the presentation of antigen to the T helper cells. So, अगर हम देखें तो पैराकॉर्टेक्स में T cell region है, T cells ज़्यादा है. So this is also called as a thymus dependent area. वही कॉर्टेक्स रीजन में there is a large population of B lymphocytes. So this is also known as a thymus independent region. पैराकॉर्टेक्स के अंदर के रीजन को हम बोलते हैं मेड्यूला. This is the region which is rich with plasma cells. जब B cells encounters antigen, it converts into plasma cell and memory cell. तो वही plasma cells these are present in this medullary region of this lymph node. These are actively plasma cells actively secreting antibodies are present in a medullary region. यहाँ पर afferent lymphatic vessel और efferent lymphatic vessels हैं. जो afferent lymphatic vessels है वहाँ से lymph carry किया जाता है. This is from tissues to the lymph node. और जो efferent lymphatic vessel से बाहर lymph आ जाएगा that will have a rich in antibodies. यहाँ पर immune response देने के बाद the lymph will have a large number of antibodies in it. तो इस तरह से immune response के लिए हमें lymph node लगता है. जब हम lymph node का functioning देखते हैं तब through the afferent lymphatic vessel the antigen are trapped and brought to the lymph node. It is processed and presented on class 2 MHC in a cortex region. Then, due to this presentation, there is activation of T helper cells and B cells takes place. इसके बाद, this B cells start secreting antibodies as IgM and IgG. Then, now this B cells and T cells move to the paracortex region और अंदर की साइड में वो आ जाते हैं. Now here there is a interaction between T cells, B cells and follicular dendritic cells takes place. Now this interaction will develop into the formation of germinal center कि बाजू में cells और उसके center में immune response हो जाएगा. That is called as secondary follicle, which will have a germinal center in it. Now, there is a generation of plasma cells in this germinal center, and which will help in secreting antibodies against that particular antigen. So in this way the immune response takes place in a lymph node, and there is a presence of T cell lineages as well as B cell lineages. So here I have concluded with today's video. I will be there with more videos with from the subject of immunology. So keep watching my videos. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel, and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.